Remove negative Google links. Screw having a bad online presence. It can change your life. I'm talking about one negative Google link, a bad news article, something that someone just mindlessly published, whether they were trying to inform the public or whether they were trying to slander you, doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, it affects your life. I get it. And I actually have a success story. I was working with a client and we have that whole first page. I'm talking the whole first page of Google rankings completely positive. Check this out. It's working with Bonal Harper or Bo Harper, and we created these articles about what he's actually doing in his life, the positive things. Bonal Harper is feeding hungry students in Los Angeles with his nonprofit. It's true. He's a good guy. And look at all the positive stuff that we have created about him. His LinkedIn profile is ranking first. We have that he's feeding hungry students in Los Angeles. We've done an interview with him about how he donates his income and how he teaches people how to find their passion. We have more about his organization here. We have the life challenges that he's overcome. We have his secret to running a nonprofit. We have positioned him like an expert. What negative content did Bo have on the internet before? It doesn't matter, because now it's all positive. And that's what I do. I fix people's online reputations. And I wanted to show you what it looks like when someone's reputation is fixed, what that could look like for you. When you look up your name and you see that, hey, you're on the knowledge graph, there's your face there, there's your picture there, you look like an expert. You go from having a negative presence to having this positive presence. We find the most charitable, beautiful things you're doing in your life, and then we publish that. And could you imagine that? You go from having a negative reputation to having the most positive one, where you can leverage that to get the best jobs, to get investors, to grow your company. And that's what I do. My name's Nader Nadernejad. If you need help with your online reputation, drop me a line down below. I'm available pretty much 24 hours. I'll get back to you by voice message on WhatsApp, or just email me, media@nadernejad.com. Check out the links, business site, personal site down below. Find out who I am before you contact me, and I'd be happy to chat. Talk soon.